I'm going to show you a video, but please disregard the shirt, the hair, and the glasses and listen to what he says.
Biggest flex that a man can have is that his wife or girlfriend no longer needs to work. There you go, fellas. Get it done.
So I saw that video, and once you get past the whole like thing and listen to what he said, it made me really think. Because the truth is, most men are flexing the wrong thing. Most men are flexing cars they don't own, watches they're still paying off, a lifestyle they can't sustain, or the confidence that they borrowed from external validation. But here's the uncomfortable truth, is that real power comes from things that you can't actually see. And so I started to actually think about the things that truly matter and the things that really, I feel, are something you should strive for and chase instead of the flashy shit. And so today, what I want to basically do is go over some of the things that I feel are the real flexes in a world that has become so incredibly superficial. So number one is having a spiritual connection. Whether or not it's to a God, Allah, some religious affiliation, like I don't care if it's Mother Earth. But I truly feel like being connected spiritually and whatever that means to you, I feel like this is something that is incredibly powerful, and it also helps put other things that you're going to do in your life in perspective. Number two, friends and family. All right, as I start to age and see more death and sickness, and also have had the opportunity to basically lose some friends that weren't good for me in terms of letting them go, I realize now that the true flex is being surrounded by people that love you and that have your best interest in mind and spending as much time with them as possible. And that's one of the things, time goes incredibly fast, which brings me to number three. You have control over your time. And this is something that you often hear when it comes to financial success, right? When you're successful financially, you basically have your time. You don't need to trade your time for dollars. You're not going in and punching a clock, working for somebody else. You control your time, you control your destiny. Being comfortable in your own skin. And this one, again, this one is one of the biggest flexes out there. Because when you realize that you're enough, when you're good with who you are, when you've dealt with your shit and you've checked, your insecurities at the door, not that you don't still have them, but you're comfortable with the man that you've become and who you are, it changes everything. You stop trying to be somebody that you think that people want you to be. You also are just more centered and grounded and comfortable just with your flaws and your quirkiness and your idiosyncrasies. It's not that you're perfect. It's not that everything is amazing, but you're good with the man that you've become. And you're not trying to bullshit or front or try to chase clout for no reason. Helping other people. Boom. In terms of flex, it doesn't get much bigger or better than this one. I didn't realize how powerful this was until I actually started a YouTube channel. It doesn't matter where my life ends up, right? If I'm broke, if I'm living in a box, if I'm under a bridge, some things went wrong, but it will never take away the fact that I have helped people and helped change their life in a positive way. And that, I'm telling you, is a major, humongous flex. All right, feeling like you made a difference, feeling like you had an impact on the world in a positive way is powerful. Looking good. It's a flex, right? Whether or not it's your grooming is straight, your body is in check, you have a nice physique, you look good for your age, this is a flex. In a world of people are fat, out of shape, and aging poorly, if you look good, if you take care of yourself, if you are a specimen, I'm not talking about obsessively like spending your whole world in the gym or eating a super strict diet or taking TRT, none of that shit. We can't change our height, we can't change our genetics or our bone structure, but we have a lot of control over the way that we physically present ourselves on a daily basis. All right, it takes work, it takes consistency, but your body and your looks will show the receipts of what you do consistently on a daily basis. Being with a partner, wife, husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, that's not a mess, that loves you, that supports you, that uplifts you. And this one, once again, this is a flex, and this is, I feel like, increasingly rare in today's world of everybody being really self-absorbed and kind of, I don't know, I feel like people have become lost with what really matters, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to kind of talk about this. But Having a partner that is grounded, that is healthy and happy is a huge flex. Most people won't see it, but you know it, and it's powerful. No consumer debt. All right? You don't have a bunch of credit cards. You don't have a bunch of shit that you basically are financing, a lot of high interest payments. No consumer debt. This one puts you in a position of power, changes everything. All right? If you're somebody that is struggling to make ends meet, you got to figure it out. You got to figure out a way to make more money, pay down your debt, and get debt free. This is a huge flex. I know that there are people out there that talk about, the power of leverage. Bullshit. When you've got a bunch of high interest debt, it robs you of joy, health, and happiness. And this is a flex that nobody knows other than you. All right? It's not like you're driving a Ferrari around town. People see that and they're like, oh, that's an expensive car, right? It's financed. They don't own it. They're in debt. Their payments are too much and they can't afford to put gas in it, but that's beside the point. But if you are basically debt-free, that's something that people can't take away from you. Low stress. You sleep well. You're not constantly anxious. You're not worried all the time. This one is huge. In today's world of trying to keep up with the Joneses or always hustling and trying to make more or do more or achieve more, if you have low stress, this is a crazy flex. If you make enough money to support yourself and save and have multiple income streams, also a flex. Financial security is one of those things that I truly feel will move the needle. It allows you to live life a bit more on your terms. It gives you more control over your time and your freedom. And you get to choose things as opposed to basically being dictated to or having to do something you don't want to do. And the last thing that I would say is the biggest flex of all is being happy. Whatever that means to you. Not what it means to your mom or your brother or people you see on Instagram, but to you. Are you happy? If the answer is yes, congratulations, you are a baller.